Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most iconic hybrid cameras of all time, the Fujifilm X-Pro series. A camera that blends classic rangefinder styling with modern mirrorless power. Whether you're into street photography, portraits, filmmaking, or documentary work, the X-Pro has become a favorite for creators who want both style and performance. In this video, we'll cover all of its features: image quality, sensor performance, autofocus, film simulations, build quality, release information, its best uses, and why this camera might be perfect for you. So let's begin. The Fujifilm X-Pro series stands out instantly with its retro rangefinder design. It features a durable magnesium alloy body, weather-resistant construction, PREM-IUM dials for shutter speed and exposure compensation, and an overall feel that photographers absolutely love. Its strongest highlight is the hybrid viewfinder, a combination of an optical viewfinder and an electronic viewfinder. This lets you switch between classic OVF shooting and a modern, high-resolution EVF at the press of a button. It's not just a camera, it's an experience. Inside the X-Pro series is Fujifilm's powerful APS-C X-Trans sensor, delivering outstanding color, sharpness, and dynamic range. Key points include high-resolution sensor for crisp, still images, X-Processor engine for faster performance, excellent low-light capability with clean results at higher ISO, natural skin tones, and deep dynamic range, rich, film-like character straight out of the camera. And of course, Fujifilm's legendary film simulations take the camera to the next level. You get Provia, Velvia, Classic Chrome, Pro Neg, Astia, and the fan-favorite Classic Negative. These simulations give you a cinematic, film-inspired look without the need for heavy editing. The X-Pro lineup features improved autofocus with fast phase detection AF, and face tracking, accurate subject tracking, quick startup time, responsive shutter. This makes the X-Pro excellent for street shooters who need fast reactions, as well as filmmakers who want smooth, reliable focus. The shutter is silent enough for indoor or candid environments, adding to its documentary-style workflow. While the X-Pro series is mainly known for photography, its video performance has also grown significantly. You get 4K video recording, Fujifilm film simulations for cinematic color, good rolling shutter control, clean output for external recording, color profiles that are ideal for YouTube and documentary work. This makes it a strong hybrid camera for creators who want to shoot both photos and videos. With the same device, the Fujifilm X-Pro includes dual SD card slots, USB-C connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for instant sharing, weather-sealed body, long battery life, customizable buttons and menus, strong lens support from Fujinon XF primes and zooms. With Fujifilm's prime lenses, the 23mm, 35mm, and 50mm become the perfect companions for this camera. The X-Pro series is ideal for street photographers, documentary filmmakers, travel photographers, portrait shooters, journalists, and storytellers, YouTube creators who want a film look. Its design pushes you to slow down, observe your surroundings, and capture meaningful moments with creativity. Why should you choose the Fujifilm X-Pro series? Here are the major benefits: classic rangefinder experience, beautiful color straight from the camera, lightweight and travel-friendly, professional-grade build quality, great for both photos and videos, strong lens ecosystem, unique hybrid viewfinder, perfect for storytelling and cinematic visuals. If you want a camera that inspires creativity, this is the one. The Fujifilm X-Pro series currently includes X-Pro 1, originally released in 2012, X-Pro 2 released in 2016, X-Pro 3 released in 2019. The X-Pro 3 was the latest major upgrade, featuring a tougher build, titanium top plate, improved autofocus, better sensor, and film simulations. Many creators also expect Fujifilm to reveal an X-Pro in future, but nothing has been announced officially yet. Before ending the video, let's talk about why the Fujifilm X-Pro series is better than many other cameras in its class. First, its hybrid viewfinder is unique. No other mirrorless system offers this classic optical plus electronic combo. Second, Fujifilm's film simulations give you unmatched color straight out of the camera, saving you hours of editing. Third, its rangefinder-style design makes shooting faster, more discreet, and more enjoyable, especially for street and documentary work. And finally, the compact and weather-sealed build makes it more reliable for travel and outdoor creators compared to bulkier mirrorless systems. This combination of design, performance, and color science simply sets it apart. So that wraps up the complete breakdown of the Fujifilm X-Pro series. If you want a camera that looks iconic, performs professionally, and inspires creativity every time you pick it up, the X-Pro is an amazing choice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which camera you want to see next. See you in the next video.